Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with a quicker way. Via the secret code, we have to open the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's tap on them. And here we have to find the About phone, which should be at the top of the list. Now let's enter detailed info and specs and scroll down to find the status. And as you can see right here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.